Problem with Bluetooth calling smartwatches is they have very limited battery life, and if you are a heavy user, you'll need to keep charging your watch every 2 to 3 days, and that is quite a bit of hassle. But today we actually have something very interesting in the house. Amazfit has just launched their all new smartwatch called Balance. It's like an entirely new series and packs like crazy next level features. It has AMOLED display, built-in Bluetooth calling with a mic and speaker, and all the next gen features you would expect, including a voice recorder, body composition measurement, and lots of interesting features. And this literally can offer up to like 2 weeks of battery life, guys. I am very excited to talk about this smartwatch in the video. In fact, I've been using the smartwatch for almost 3 weeks so far, and today I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback in this model. Let's quickly get started with the video. Our brand new Amazfit Balance came in this sort of box packaging. This smartwatch is actually available in two different color variants. You get a midnight edition that actually features a 22 silicone strap, and ours is the sunset gray edition that features a beautiful nylon strap, guys. You have the Amazfit branding on the box packaging, including a picture of the product, and mentions all of its specs and highlights at the back side. Quickly unboxing it, there you go, our brand new smartwatch at the top side, and along with that you get some accessories which include some paperwork. Make sure to read this for all the details, and also a magnetic charging dock is also included. That's it, quick unboxing part is done. Now let me give you like a closer look at the smartwatch and talk about the design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice as soon as you pick up the smartwatch is how light this smartwatch is. Despite being a premium smartwatch with metallic body, it is only around 35 grams. Like seriously guys, one of the lightest smartwatches I've reviewed in the recent times. It doesn't feel like I'm actually wearing a smartwatch, guys. Like very comfortable, I would say. On top of that, we have the nylon strap edition, right? It also looks quite stylish with this sunset orange sort of stripes in between them. Very premium and elegant looking smartwatch. Talking about the build quality, Amazfit Balance has a really good build quality. As I've told you, entire body is made of aluminum alloy and has a premium watch case. At the bottom panel looks like is made of polycarbonate. And not to miss out, the watch is also 5 atmospheres water resistant. So excellent durability and build quality, I would say. Let me also quickly tell you about the display. On board, you're getting a 1.5 inches round touch AMOLED display, that too with a high resolution of 480 by 480. That gives you around like 323 ppi. And yes, since it's AMOLED, you're also getting always on display support. Raise to wake is also there, and the biggest game changer is it has ambient light sensor on board for auto brightness adjustment. And not to miss out, the peak brightness of the display of the smartwatch is around 1500 nits. And as I've told you, I've been using the smartwatch for last couple of weeks, and I was like very happy and satisfied with the display over here, guys. Excellent amount of detail. No matter even if you're checking out the home screen, watch just look at the watch face over there. Everything looks crisp and clear, especially the text and the detail highlights on the watch face. Colors are also very nice and vivid. Obviously it's an AMOLED display, everything just punches on the display, guys. You'll be like super happy and satisfied. And talking about the black levels and contrast levels, near to infinite contrast ratio with deep levels, again thanks to that AMOLED panel, wide viewing angles as well, and overall display is also like super bright and easily readable even in like bright outdoor situations. Directly under sunlight also had no issues. Wait a second, I haven't shown you the controls and buttons on this model, right? So let me give you like a quick physical overview. On the right side you get 2 buttons and controls which include a fully functional digital crown. You can use this crown to fully navigate through the menu, or maybe options, settings, and a lot of other stuff. On the bottom you're having a nice custom hotkey that is like fully adjustable, and you can customize it to do any sort of function using Amazfit's compatible Zepp app. And in between them, if you can observe, you have the microphone, and the speaker is present on the opposite corner of the body. And here's how the back profile of the watch looks like. You're getting a brand new BioTracker 5.0 ppg sensor for all your health related applications, and this watch has like multiple health related measurement features built in. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. Anyways, first of all, let me give you like a closer look and show you the home screen, built-in apps, software features, and everything. And by the way, this watch is powered by Amazfit Zepp OS 3.0 that includes lots of stuff, and also has support for a dedicated app store from where you can download like 150 plus different sort of useful apps. So there you go, here's how the home screen on it looks like. By default you're getting around like 5 to 6 pre-installed watch faces on this smartwatch, but not to worry, you can download multiple number of 100 plus watch faces from Amazfit's compatible Zepp app on your phone. Swiping down gives you access for quick access toggles. Here you can directly adjust the brightness, sound mode, access your general settings and battery level and these sort of stuff. Swiping up on the home screen gives you access to your notifications panel. Here you can check out all the recent notifications, message notifications, or even if you have any sort of missed calls, right? Everything can be checked out from over here. Swiping Scrolling left and right on the home screen gives you access to your widgets present over here, guys. Widgets are also like fully customizable. You can assign the order, what sort of widget you want on your home screen from Zep compatible app. And now in case if you want to access the complete list of apps present on this smartwatch, you can do that by pressing this digital crown at the top side. One thing I do have to mention, by default the watch's menu has like a grid sort of layout, similar something you might see on Apple Watch, right? And apps are a bit jumbled here and there, and it might be confusing, especially if you're searching for an app. If you're not comfortable with the grid view, the watch also has a list view as well, which you can easily adjust and change from the menu and general settings of the watch. And let me tell you guys, the kind of apps and features present on the smartwatch, right, next level, I would say. It has almost every feature that you might be looking to have on a smartwatch. Just look at the list over here, never ending list of apps and features. And best part is ZepOS 3.0 also has like a dedicated app store from where you can download even more apps. Up to 150 apps are there. So let me quickly go through all the apps and features available on the Amazfit Balance. Starting off, you have something known as readiness. This is like measuring your body wellness, guys, both physical and mental wellness. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. Apart from that, you do have your 24/7 HR, SpO2 blood oxygen is also there. One tap complete health measurement feature is also built in. Moving on, you have your workout section, and not to forget, the watch also has like built-in dual band GPS with 6 satellite positioning system and can give you like a precise route wise navigation as well, guys. It supports up to like 150 plus workout activities, outdoor sport activities, very detailed analysis about your fitness or any sort of outdoor sessions you do, including the complete route turn by turn navigation, guys. So this is like a really useful feature for all the fitness freaks out there. Moving on, this is from where you can access your body composition measurement. I've told you, right, the watch is capable of measuring your upper half body composition levels. Like it can show you protein level, water level, BMI index, how much fat percentage is there in your body and stuff like that. Using it is also very simple. You simply need to wear the watch and place your other hand, 2 fingers on both the digital buttons available on the body, just like this, and within few seconds it will give you complete analysis on your screen. Going on, this one is your activity page from where you can check out your day-to-day fitness activity levels, like how many steps you've taken, distance travel, calories burned, and these sort of day-to-day fitness activity data. Stress level measurement is also there, and sleep tracking is also very good, guys. I've been wearing this watch for a last couple of days during night times, and I've been doing like intense sleep monitoring, and it was doing a very good job. It was showing how much deep sleep levels I was having, how many hours I was like light sleep, did I wake up in between, like complete analysis is there. Weekly analysis is also available once you pair and synchronize the data with Zep compatible app on your phone. Just have a look at this data. Moving on, you have your Bluetooth calling feature, membership card support is there. I'm not sure if this is still active in India, we'll have to wait and see. Music control, and best part is the Balance also has like onboard storage. I think you're getting around like 2.2 GB of onboard storage where you can directly store music files over here and listen to them from the watch's built-in speaker. It is not simple Bluetooth remote control, guys. So very useful feature. And crazy part is the watch also has voice recorder, guys, voice memos. Using this you can record any sort of sound because it has a built-in microphone, right? And recording quality is also very good. Let me just quickly show you a clip where I record a conversation audio using this voice recorder app on the Amazfit Balance. Hello, check 1 2 3. Voice recorder feature on Amazfit Balance. Here's how it sounds like. Sound quality check. Testing 1 2 3. Now apart from this, remaining all are like pretty basic stuff, I would say. Alarms is there, timer function, stopwatch, sun and moon time, compass is also available on this model, and barometer function is also included. Breathing exercises is also there, and body temperature measurement is also available. It literally has a thermometer built in and can give you like your skin contact body temperature 24/7, guys, which you can easily access from this app. Last but not the least, calculator app is also available, and these are a couple apps that I downloaded from the watch app store on ZepOS 3.0. So that was our complete overview on the built-in apps and features on the Amazfit Balance. And now moving on, let's talk about the health related features and their performance. As I've told you, the Balance has like a complete health suit package available. It can measure 24/7 HR, blood oxygen, SpO2, stress level measurement, breathing exercise is also there, and detailed sleep tracking feature is also available. And let me tell you, I've been using this smartwatch for the last couple of days, and sensors on board were like very accurate, guys. They were giving accurate readings in different different sort of apps and features almost 90-95% of the time. And not only that, remember I've told you it is capable of measuring your body wellness as well by this feature known as readiness. Basically, you'll need to wear this watch overnight, and once you do that, right, the watch will measure a lot of things like how are you breathing, your breathing quality, your 24/7 HR monitor level during night time. And after all these detailed analysis, next day it will give you a readiness score based on your mental and physical activity, and it will tell you how recharged you are there for that particular day. Very nice and helpful. And along with that, you're also getting body composition measurement, which I've already told you how to use it. Not to miss out, you're also getting Alexa voice assistant built in. You can easily access that by swiping right on the home screen and simply click on that and ask any sort of question to Alexa, and it will give you answer on your screen. Let me just quickly show you a demo. How tall is the Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower is 324 meters tall.
Very cool, right? And apart from this, you do have like offline voice assistant as well. Maybe you want to increase the speaker volume, open settings or stuff like that. You can ask the watch to do it. I know you people are waiting for this part. How can we miss out Bluetooth calling? Yes, Amazfit Balance also has like Bluetooth calling feature with onboard microphone and speaker, and you can literally dial in anybody's number over here and talk to that person from the watch only, even without taking out your phone from your pocket. Like, how convenient is that? Here's how the Bluetooth calling app looks like. You can save a couple of your favorite contacts for one tap Bluetooth calling to them, but apart from that, you do have a dialer pad as well, and you can literally dial in any number and talk to that person. And overall Bluetooth calling performance was very nice. Other person could clearly hear and understand what I was speaking. Built-in microphone quality was very nice, and noise levels were also minimum. And let me tell you, speaker quality is also very good. In fact, it was actually quite loud, good amount of clarity and decent treble as well, guys. I could easily understand and hear all the dialogues. Keep the Bluetooth calling aside, I've been using the speaker for a lot of music quality also. I've told you now it has like built-in music player, and you can literally play any sort of music over here on the watch itself, and it was very helpful during my workout sessions.
The number సరిచూసుకోండి. The dialed number does not exist. Please check the number you have dialed. आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर उपयोग में नहीं है. कृपया डायल किए गए नंबर की जांच कर लें.
We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Amazfit Balance features a larger 475 mAh battery, and battery life has been excellent during my testing period. I've told you now, in the last 3 weeks, I have only charged the smartwatch once, guys. That kind of battery life I was getting over here. On a moderate and typical sort of usage, with the AOD feature set to smart mode and also brightness set to around like 60%, and you're doing light Bluetooth calling and once in a while sport or activity tracking with GPS, right? You can easily get around like 14 to 15 days of battery life. But if you're like a moderate to heavy sort of user, you use that Bluetooth calling feature a bit more than a regular user, and also AOD always on and brightness also like decent level, you can expect around like 5 to 6 days of battery life. If you look at the cheaper watches these days now, around 3-4,000 rupees that have Bluetooth calling, they will hardly last around like 1 day, guys, on that heavy sort of usage. So compared to them, Amazfit Balance obviously offers like an excellent battery life, I would say. You do have a special battery saver mode also, and in that mode, right, the watch will even last for up to like 25-30 days also. Well, that's it, our complete overview on Amazfit's all new Balance smartwatch. Solid looking device in terms of both looks and also performance. Very sleek, ultra lightweight, and comes with a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with also auto brightness feature is also there. Not to miss out, it's also 5 atmospheres water resistant, has built-in dual band GPS and lots of health tracking features. Not to miss out, Alexa voice assistant and also Bluetooth calling on board. I mean, the list just never seems to end. Only thing if I had to nitpick is the watch has limited strap options. During the launch, you only get like 2 strap variants, Midnight Black edition which comes with the silicone strap, and ours is the nylon strap edition. Wish the brand offered a couple of different options, maybe metal strap edition and something like that. That would have made it much more customizable. It costs around 24,999 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.